Hey there guys, welcome back. Today's task is finding the prime factors of a number. Prime factors are the numbers which are the factors of the given number and are prime, meaning these are greater than 1 that divides only by 1 and themselves. The prime factor of a number are all the prime numbers that will exactly divide the given number. For example, the prime factors of 15 are 3 and 5. The prime factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3 and 5. Here we have to list all the prime factors of the given number. So if we get any number more than once, then we have to print it that number of times only. We can't skip any number, okay? So the idea here is that every number is divisible by 1. So we will start searching from 2 and search up to n. Here n is the given number. So we'll see if dividing n by I will leave the remainder 0 or not. If it gives 0, then it is a prime factor. And we will then divide n by I and check if it is still divisible by I or not. And we will do this until the number is not divisible by I. Once it is not divisible, then we can increase I and check for next number. Let's take an example here. Suppose we have 20, so we will take I equal to 2. I is the loop counter. So 20 mod 2 is equal to 0. So 2 is one of the prime factors of 20. And then we will divide 20 by 2. Now n is equal to 10 and we'll check for 10 mod 2, that is also equal to 0. So again 2 is one of the factors of 20. Now we will divide 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is equal to 5 and we'll check 5 mod 2 is equal to 0 or not. So 5 mod 2 is not equal to 0, so we'll increase I. Now I is equal to 3 and we will check if 5 mod 3 is equal to 0 or not. So it is again not equal to 0, so we'll increase I again. Now I is equal to 4, so 5 mod 4 is not equal to 0. So we'll increase I. Now I is 5. And we'll now check 5 mod 5 is equal to 0 or not. So 5 mod 5 is equal to 0. So 5 is one of the factors of 20. And now we will divide 5 by 5. So we'll get 0. And now our number is 0. So we'll stop here. And now prime factors of 20 are 2, 2 and 5. So this is the exact way we are going to do the code. So let's see. Here I have created a class prime factor. So let's create a method static void prime factor and it is int parameterized. The method does not return anything, we'll simply print the prime factors. Okay, so let's start with loop for int I equal to 2, I less than equal to num, I plus plus. And we'll use while loop inside for loop. So while num mod I equal to 0, we'll print I. So system.out.println I. And we'll divide num by I. So num divide equal to I. So this is our prime factor method. Now let's write the driver code. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in int n equal to sc.nextInt and I'll call the method prime factor. So prime factor and I'll pass n in its parameter. We don't have to print anything because the method already prints the prime factors. And we'll import scanner class. So import java.util.scanner. Now let's see our code compiles or not. Java C prime factor.java. Okay, so the code is compiled successfully. Now let's run Java prime factor. So let's input 15. We should get 3 and 5. Okay, we are getting 3 and 5. So 5 and 3. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay. Let's check again. For 20, let's say. Okay, we are getting 2, 2 and 5. Now let's check for 100. Look, 2, 2, 5 and 5. Okay, so we are getting the desired output. So that's it for this video. We'll see more problems in the further videos. Thank you.